Hey, Mr. Kaczynski here, working through IXL's 8th grade math skills, section F, exponents and roots. And in this video, it's going to be evaluating negative exponents. The last video I shot was understanding negative exponents. Today we're going to take it just a step further here. All right, so real quick, when you have a base 6 raised to a negative power, -1, that means 1 over 6. It's like the reciprocal of 6. And then the 6 is raised to the positive first power, which obviously we don't need that first power there. We can just call it 1/6. So there, we've evaluated the expression, simplified it, written it without negative exponents. All right, but what if we up it to negative second power instead of negative first power? So the same concept applies. We'll take the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. And then we're going to raise that 4 to the positive 2 power instead of -2. In the previous skill, we just left it like that, but now we're just going to take it one more step. 4 squared is 16, so we'll leave this as 1/16. So one more time with that. If we have 8 to the -3rd, that is 1 over 8 to the positive 3rd. Not very many people have what 8 to the 3rd memorized is, or is memorized, but it is 512. You might have to grab a calculator there, but this is 1 over 512. So negative exponents show us repeated division instead of repeated multiplication like positive exponents. So what happens if we have a fractional base though? And the same thing occurs. What we do is we take the reciprocal of that base. Reciprocal of 1/9 is 9. And then we raise it to the second power instead of to the negative second power. And 9 squared, we all know that that's 81. So 1 over 9 raised to the -2 power is 81. Let's do that again. 1 over 10 raised to the -3rd power is is 10 raised to the positive 3rd power, which is 1,000. Okay, no calculator necessary there, I hope. So in review, if you've got a integer like 3 raised to a negative base or a negative power, you take the reciprocal of it and you raise that 3 to the 4th power. So this would be 1 over 81 because 3 to the 4th power is 81. And if you have a fraction raised to a negative power, again, you take the reciprocal of that fraction and then you raise it to the 4th power. 7 to the power of 4 is 2,401. Yes, I used a calculator for that. All right, so that's evaluating negative exponents. Good luck. Let me know how it goes.